Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll guide you step by step on how to turn on encrypted backups in WhatsApp. This feature adds an extra layer of security to your chat history by ensuring that only you can access your backups. Let's dive into how to activate it properly. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Settings. From there, click on Chats. Then tap Chat Backup. Next, look for the option labeled End-to-End Encrypted Backup and tap it. Now tap Turn On. WhatsApp will prompt you to create a password or generate a 64-digit encryption key. Choose the method that works best for you. If you choose a password, make sure it's something secure and easy to remember. If you choose the encryption key, be sure to save it somewhere safe. WhatsApp cannot help you recover it if it's lost. Once you've set your password and confirm your password, tap Create to complete the process. Your backups are now encrypted and protected on your cloud storage. This ensures no one, not even WhatsApp, can access your chat history. Thanks for watching. Enabling encrypted backup is a smart way to protect your data. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Stay safe, and see you next time.